Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Natalie, and today I would love to share with you an easy way to make cheesecake cups. They are perfect for any occasion and they are so easy to make. They can be done in less than 15 minutes. And these are the ingredients that we're going to be using for today's recipe. Fresh strawberries, a cup of heavy whipping cream, 2 tablespoons of butter, a tablespoon of granulated sugar, a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. We're also going to be using half of a cup of cream cheese, a quarter of a cup of confectioner's sugar, and I'm going to be using these delicious almond biscottis. How about we get started? I'm going to start with my crust. I'm going to crush my almond biscottis. Now I'm going to mix them with the butter. The butter has to be melted. And we're going to set them to the side. Now I'm going to cut the strawberries into little pieces, and we're also going to be leaving some of the strawberries whole because we're going to need them for decoration. And now we're going to add our cream cheese to the mixer. It's better when you leave it to room temperature. And you're going to mix it for about 2 minutes. Now you're going to start by adding the heavy whipping cream. And we're also going to be adding our sugar. Our vanilla extract. And our ground cinnamon. We're going to mix it for another 2 minutes on a high speed. Now that we have our creamy filling ready, it's time to start putting our cups together. I'm going to be placing my cream cheese filling in one of these piping bags, and I'm also going to be using one of these tips. If you don't have any of these items, you can always use one of the Ziploc bags. It's going to work perfect. They are so delicious and easy to make. I'm gonna be using these cups that I got at the Dollar Tree store. And I'm gonna be displaying my cheesecakes in this beautiful tray. We're gonna start by adding the biscotti crust. If you don't have biscottis, you can totally use another type of cookie. I just do biscottis because we love almonds. And now I'm going to add the strawberries in the middle. Now it's time for the best part, the delicious creamy cheesecake filling. My kids love these cheesecake cups. And now I'm going to be decorating my cheesecake cups with the strawberries that we cut in half. And today I'm also adding some Valentine sprinkles. I just want them to look pretty. Look how easy and beautiful this is. And I'm going to be placing these little spoons that I got at Dollar Tree. Look how easy this is, guys. It was so simple to make. It took me less than 10 minutes and they look fantastic and they taste great. If you guys enjoyed my video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and guys, please support my channel. Thank you.